Hey everybody, I'm Tom Kenny, animation voice actor known as SpongeBob SquarePants.
I'm Gary.
I'm Patchy the Pirate. Potty and I took jobs flipping burgers so we could be just like our hero, SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob's first line ever would have been,
"Today's the big day, Gary. Look at me. I'm naked!"
Today's the big day, Gary. Look at me. I'm naked!
Who's ready?
I'm ready!
I'm ready! I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
the sea.
The sea. So fascinating. So wonderful.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Oh, I know what you mean, Mr. Krabs. This is only stop numero uno on our night of debauchery.
I'm Tom Kenny.
SpongeBob SquarePants. This means the secret formula is
Lost forever. No, it's safe forever. Sorry.
extra mustard.
I play Patrick. My name is Bill Fagerbucky. Hi.
SpongeBob, you would not believe the size of the ice creams here. Morning, Squidward. I'll have the usual. With cheese.
We're out of Krabby Patties right now.
Oh, Krabby Patties? Oh!
Patty flippin' mind, I'll never leave this place. I mean, look at me. I'm a god.
Hi, I'm Roger Bumpus.
And I play Squidward Tentacles in SpongeBob SquarePants. I love the role, hate the guy next to me. I work in the food service sector, underpaid, underappreciated, underwater.
Mr. Krabs, SpongeBob, zip it.
I can't do it any better.
Well, Plankton, like a reheated Krabby Patty, you've been foiled again! Where's me formula, Plankton?
Join me and help me get the formula back, and I'll give each and every one of you a free Krabby Patty! Wait. Even better, a slight discount. Oh, that was close.
Have 2 Krabby Patties, extra ketchup, extra mustard, and hold the mayo. Howdy. I'm Carolyn Lawrence, and I play Sandy Cheeks. Or I'm Carolyn Lawrence, and I play Sandy Cheeks. Or I'm Carolyn Lawrence, and I play Sandy Cheeks. Yeehaw! I'll have 2 Krabby Patties, extra ketchup, extra mustard, and hold the mayo. The sandwich gods are angry with us!
Now we work together. You know, teamwork.
What's a TM work?
No, Plankton, teamwork.
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 Say team.
Team.
Now say work.
Work.
Put them together, what do you got?
Time bomb. Work.
My name is Mr. Lawrence,
and I play plankton. Knock-knock jokes. I can do this all day, Crab.
In your face! Oh, yeah!
I could rule the world! Knock-knock jokes. I can do this all day, Crabs.
Wonderful driver, unlike SpongeBob. He's not a wonderful driver. But Andrew took me home tonight, and I'm having a wonderful time with him. And so I persuaded him to come to Bikini Bottom just for a little while, so we could say hi to all of you. So, mwah!
You have the physique of Atlas.
Thanks. I work out.
Make poses with me.
Okay.
Body slam.